Hi everyone, I'm here with my patient 6 months after procedure, FUE procedure, and this is what he has to say.
Yeah, so 6 months in, I'm absolutely amazed at how good the results were. I initially came here because living in Asia, I was scanning a lot of different clinics in multiple countries, and when speaking to Richard and the team, they made me feel more comfortable than anyone else, and so that was reciprocated on the day itself. I came here, they made me, I feel very nervous on the day, but they made me feel so at ease, and yeah, the procedure was relatively painless, the instructions, the aftercare was great, and 6 months on, I'm absolutely amazed by how good it looks, and yeah, I'm just so grateful to all the team, and I can't wait to see the next few months as well.
So like he said, the results is just 6 months, an amazing results just after 6 months. Look down a little bit, so you can see the before and after pictures. So 6 months in a real patient's results. So thank you so much. Thank you for believing in us, and thank you for your support right from the beginning. And thank you for choosing our clinic in Malaysia to do your hair restoration.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm so happy. So congratulations to you. So let's thumbs up. Yes.